What if students could step inside algebra, not just solve equations, but actually experience them? Algebra is one of the most difficult subjects for students. It's abstract, it's hard to visualize, and many students lose interest. When students don't understand algebra, they lose confidence. This is where Algebra Factory VR comes in. Students enter a virtual factory environment. They interact with equations as physical objects and solve problems by manipulating variables in 3D space. The platform is built on VXR labs. It works on VR headsets and even on standard computers, making it scalable for classrooms worldwide. This is not memorization, not passive learning. This is active problem solving through experience. Students understand concepts faster, they stay engaged longer, and they achieve better learning outcomes. We're not just teaching math, we're redefining how students learn. Thank you.